Transportation, travel, and entertainment are very much intervened in our daily urban lives. Whether you are commuting, going on an excursion, or watching a show, a seat with quality, safety, and seating comfort is indispensable for ensuring your every journey a pleasant experience. Quality, safety, comfort. Not only are these the customer expectations, these are also the essential elements that lay the foundation of renowned seat manufacturing company Vogel Industries, Malaysia, SDN BHD. Located in the bustling and ever-dynamic city of Johor Bahru, the global headquarters of Vogel Industries spans across 175,000 square feet of land area and 90,000 square feet of built-up area. It is now more than 200 employees strong. Incorporated in Malaysia in 1994, the company boasts a rich history in manufacturing and supplying high-quality passenger seats for buses and coaches. Its perfect combination of world's-leading German engineering and exquisite local craftsmanship has brought it to a great success for the past 2 decades. In 2014, it celebrated its 20th anniversary. In 2017, the setup of the Center of Engineering and installation of a tensile test bench marked another new milestone in the company's development. Its Center of Engineering was named in honor of Mr. Karl Harrell, a distinguished German engineer who vastly contributed to product development. Vogel Industries started with its first branch in Malaysia and has now expanded to Singapore, Vietnam, Thailand, and Hong Kong. Today, 80% of its products are exported to numerous Asian countries, as well as Australia and New Zealand. Within 5 years' time, from 2013 to 2018, it has achieved an amazing sales growth of over 80% and sold an average of 90,000 seat places annually. The accomplishment would not have been possible without the state-of-art manufacturing processes that are subject to strict German supervision. We take pride in our products that conform to ECE, United Nations Economic Commission for Europe regulations, and gain a good reputation by passing the test of motor vehicle safety regulations in various countries, including the US, Canada, Australia, and Japan. In order to ensure our products consistently meet customers' requirements, we maintain stringent quality management in compliance with the prestigious ISO 9001 standard at every phase. From start to finish, the manufacturing line has been streamlined to boost operational efficiency. It starts with metal processing department that leverages on machinery advancement. For instance, the modern automatic cutting machine that helps mitigate human error. The sophisticated CNC bending machine that greatly increases productivity while keeping quality up to par. The powerful multi-hole drilling machine that is 5 times faster than the traditional drilling machine. And also the fully automatic robot welding machine that ensures consistency and precision in welding. At the second phase, which is foaming department, breakthrough chemistries are used to allow innovative styling that meets and exceeds seating system design demands. When it comes to cutting department, we utilize cutting machine, material checking machine, and hydraulic pressing cutting machine to achieve high level of precision and accuracy. With multiple types of sewing machines in our well-equipped sewing department, we are capable to produce special and customized sewing pattern. Not to mention the classy and luxury styling that adds an aesthetic value to your seat. At Final Assembly Department, we treat assembly every single part into final product as an art that is handled with exceptional care. Last but not least, we have a packaging department where we meticulously prepare the products for transport and end use. Meanwhile, detailed quality control and inspection are performed to ensure customer satisfaction. In light of the increasing demand and expectation of the market, we further optimize our manufacturing by organizing and monitoring the whole product process with our versatile computerized system. Today, we are equipped with facilities and capability to fabricate a wider variety that covers city bus seating, intercity bus seating, marine seating, and auditorium seating. While digitalization has taken the world by storm, Vogel Industries continues to lead at the forefront of the industry. Our R&D team has brought us to a greater height by designing the high-technology seating, which incorporates a digital display to show seat availability. Your life is simply made easier. Market competition is fierce, but we possess what it takes to distinguish ourselves from others. With the company's emphasis on talent development and high technology adoption, the management of Vogel Industries have managed to create a highly motivated workforce and a conducive work environment that translate into its success. The Center of Engineering has indeed given us an upper hand over our competition. Our research and development, as well as product safety and quality assurance, is taken up a notch. To us, a business deal doesn't end upon goods delivery. We always go the extra miles to provide after-sales benefits. For example, we offer product warranty up to 7 years, spare parts purchase availability up to 10 years, and also seat refurbishment service. In recognition of its excellence, Vogel Industries has been accorded the 15th Asia Pacific International Honesty Enterprise by Curry's Award in 2017. This is undeniably a testament to the dedication, perseverance, and effort of every staff of the company. Despite the extraordinary result achieved, Vogel Industries will not rest on its laurels, but upholding the company's mission of prioritizing safety while raising the bar in innovation and design. We strive to create our competitive edge in the market with a world-class product and services, edging closer to our vision of becoming one of the world's most competent seat providers. Vogel Industries. Think about safety.